Hello! Today I will be sharing what's in my bag for an overnight walk. First things first, my bag is a 36-liter backpack with good back and waist support. So what's inside? Let's see. First off, my sleeping bag. And then my handy-dandy walking pole. Next up is the bladder because you always have to hydrate. Always have to bring rain jacket and down jacket because weather can be so unpredictable. Change of clothes for overnight or multi-day hikes. Towel. Beanie and gloves because it may get real cold in the morning or late at night. A multi-purpose neck warmer, a torch, and make sure that the batteries inside are still working. A whistle, an emergency blanket, and a pair of slippers. So let's pack them all up. What else to bring? Don't forget your cap, hat, and visor for sun protection. Collapsible bowls and cups for meals, soup, or drinks. A spork, and my favorite trail food, nuts and M&Ms, plus mints and candies. Next up, very important, first aid kit, which consists of paracetamol for headache, band-aid, insect repellent especially against sandflies, betadine, aquatabs for water purification, toothbrush and toothpaste, facial wash, soap, and sunblock. Power bank, cord, and cards. Food for dinner, breakfast, and snack. We'll be having adobo rice for dinner, but for multi-day hikes, these are our options. And last but certainly not the least, my ever-trusty hiking boots. And we're all set. Time for our adventure. See you!